Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a night black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Opening up the tailgate. It is a power lift gate as well. We've got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist. Opening up the door, we've got memory seats, power windows. Up and in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also comes with the smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Got our radio, rear view backup camera, an anthracite trim, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 16,683 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmannimports.com.